My name is Dr. Adam Feldman, and I'm a senior lecturer in renewable energy engineering at the University of Exeter. We're based at the university's beautiful Penryn campus, near to the Cornish town of Falmouth. In choosing renewable energy engineering, you could not be studying anything more important. The world has set itself a target of zero carbon greenhouse gas emissions by 2050, and its engineers more than anybody else who will be physically and pragmatically achieving this. The University of Exeter launched its degree studies in renewable energy engineering in 2003, the very first university to have a specific, focused, bespoke undergraduate degree in renewable energy anywhere in Europe, and we believe the world. Since then, its graduates have gone out into industry, commerce, academia, politics, policy, and started to change the world. Almost every graduate takes up an occupation in energy, green, sustainable, renewable energy, the subject they so love, and this could be you too. And what an exciting subject this is. You'll start by learning each of the 7 main areas of renewable energy. That is solar, sunshine energy, wind energy, wave, that's sea wave energy, hydro energy, biomass, geothermal and tidal energy. And then how you can go about taming and sustainably capturing small proportions of each of these totally replenishable energy resources and then apply them for human benefit, for heating, for cooling, to power transport, and for making and distributing electricity. Along the way, you'll learn, of course, how to be a superb engineer. Engineering is all about ingenuity and invention. The word is derived from ingenium, the Latin for ingenious. And what an engineer is someone who can assemble scientific ideas into brilliant machines, gadgets and processes. This is exactly what is needed in renewable energy. So you'll study engineering maths, mechanics, dynamics and statics, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, electrics and electronics, every bit as much as any other type of degree engineer. But all of the time, you'll be looking at and applying these ideas to energy, and specifically renewable energy. You'll also study policy, politics, finance and business, project management and energy management. And all this in your first 2 years. And by the end of year 2, you'll already be developing into a brilliant engineer. Year 3 is all about building up expertise in your favourite components of renewable energy. For example, you can choose modules in solar energy, marine energy, that's wave and tidal, wind energy, sustainable architecture, low carbon transport, energy storage, batteries, fuel cells, flywheels, pressure cylinders, heat stores and so on, or smart electrical networks and the ingenious control of electrical distribution. And year 3 is also where you choose to study your favourite subject in some detail as a dissertation. You do this throughout the course of the whole year and you deliver a super talk and report to a very high standard. Year 3 is also where most students choose an industrial or academic work placement, 6 to 12 weeks in the summer between years 2 and 3, which you write about and submit as a module. The third year comes to a close with an exciting field trip where everyone develops ideas for an organisation or often an island government. For example, recent trips have been for the Exmoor National Park, the governments of Guernsey, Jersey, Sark. We've also been to Barbados, Tenerife and Gran Canaria. The bachelor's degree is a 3-year-long degree, but many opt for a 4th year to achieve a Master's of Engineering. Both the bachelor's and the MEng are fully accredited by the Energy Institute, one of the UK's engineering professional bodies. So both degrees will take you on to full professional registration as an incorporated or chartered engineer after graduation. The MEng, the fourth year if chosen, provides you with a longer industrial or academic placement, plus a term-long industrial or academic project for your employer. Professional training in engineering ethics, competence and commercial awareness. In fact, professionalism is something we take really enthusiastically and seriously throughout every year of your degree course, and everyone is encouraged to join an engineering professional body from year one. And then in the fourth year, there's a choice of advanced solar, advanced wind, advanced marine energy. And finally, a group project, a group challenge to solve a real industrial or commercial task. Throughout the degree, you'll be taught in lectures, small group discussions, tutorials, laboratory practicals, building structures and devices in the workshop with both classical tools and CAD/CAM, computer-assisted design and manufacture. We enter competitions such as the Global Eco Marathon Car Challenge and the Solar Powered Boat Contest. You'll learn all sorts of standard and bespoke softwares in our computer labs and have constant access to these labs and an outstanding library and professional librarians to provide just about every appropriate resource right up to the minute. And everyone has their own personal tutor, a member of the Renewable Energy academic team, lecturers through to professors, who you'll get to know well and to regularly meet throughout every term of your time studying with us. Many graduates come back to mentor, teach, encourage, and often even to employ new students after graduation. The University of Exeter Renewable Energy degree is known throughout the industry to provide some of the best engineers available. Cornwall is definitely the place to study renewable energy. Historically, it pioneered energy engineering with the development of the steam engine through the 1700s and 1800s. Then, in inventing the first steam-powered road vehicles and the powered railway locomotive around 1800. It invented production, use and early distribution of fuel gas as an energy. That was in the 1790s. It invented power tools in the 1880s. And also global communications, telegraph, radio and later satellite communication were all pioneered and progressed in Cornwall. But then, around 1970, Cornwall started its serious investigation of renewable energy, with initially research of geothermal energy. It then installed the UK's first 5 commercial wind farms from 1991, the UK's first commercial solar photovoltaic farm in 2011. It has 2 offshore marine energy test sites, complementing its 300-mile coastline. Cornwall manufactures ground source heat pumps, Kenzo Engineering, the only place in the UK. And Cornwall is now building the UK's first 2 deep geothermal power plants, one in central Cornwall and one at the Eden project. But most of all, if you come to Cornwall, you'll discover what a wonderful, beautiful part of the world this is. Beautiful coastline, landscape, culture, art, food and sports. Falmouth, the town near to the University of Exeter campus in Cornwall, is frequently voted one of the best places in the UK to live. A great campus, not too big, not too small. A super enthusiastic bunch of academics and researchers studying, developing, creating renewable energy and renewable energy systems. We'd be delighted and we truly welcome you to join us.